Right, in this video we're going to look at a medieval bench holdfast. Here it is, well, a couple actually. And these are based on ones from a print by Hieronymus Wierix, if I've pronounced that correctly, 1563. And it's a two-part. It's a head with a hole in it, with an upset forged vertical. Nice and sturdy. So we'll give it a go. And with old bench holdfast, always puts a piece of wood on the workpiece to stop it being damaged. So here we are. And as I usually do with holdfasts, I usually hold them as I tap them down underneath. So nice and sturdy. It's an excellent holdfast, works very well, and it's based on an example from 1563. The medieval bench holdfast.